Here's a second example for unit conversions. In this problem, we want to go 325 miles per hour and convert it to centimeters per second. So we'll start off with our units. We'll say 325 miles per hour. And we begin by deciding what unit we want to change first. You only want to work with one unit at a time. And so I'm going to change this unit of time, and I'm going to get it into seconds. So if I want to cancel an hour, I'm going to have an hour as a numerator. So I'll say hour is to, and I have to think about what unit I can convert that to. Most of you should think of minutes. And so I know that 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. And then the next step would be to turn those minutes into seconds. So I can say 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. That allows me to cancel the hours, because I got one on top, one on bottom, cancel the minutes, and right now I have this as 325 miles per second. And of course I have my 60s there. I need to convert the miles to represent the centimeters. And so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to try and cancel the mile out. I know that 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. And from the feet, I can say that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. And then, of course, this would allow me to cancel those feet out. And it gives me inches per second. Oh, I forgot to cancel my miles. I was looking at that, trying to figure out what I did there. I need to cancel those miles. So I have my inches per second there. And now I want to convert the inches into centimeters. So I can say, pretty much like I did in the last problem, I know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters, allowing me to cancel those inches. And then I can go to my calculator. Most of this should be nothing more than calculator work. I'm going to zoom this out a little bit. Okay, so we can see everything there. And then, as I said before, you want to take everything that's in your numerator that's not a 1, and you're going to put that in a parenthesis. So you're going to say 325 times 5,280 times 12 times 2.54. And then I'm going to divide by every number that's not a 1 in the denominator. So it'd be 60 times 60. And so I'll just type that into my calculator here. Parenthesis to open it up, 325 times 5,280 times 12 times 2.54. Close the parenthesis, divide, open a parenthesis for my denominator, 60 times 60. And this has given me 14,528.8. And so I say 14,528.8 centimeters per second. There's your second example of how to do a unit conversion.